Plus 049 traffic. Hey, but back to the car. Bike.
Good.
849 Innocence Boulevard. It's gonna be on a black and colored motorcycle. I've had one time. Male's off his bike and walked into the 24/7. You grab me one more. Hey, bud.
4453.
Butterfinger. Let me get a
Show me a code for off that mail that was running the Mills Street 838 McDonald's Ave.
You need to come outside and talk to me. You're on a traffic stop. You'll see when you step outside. We're not gonna do this here. So back to your bike, bud. Thank you.
Information for our stop. I got one detained right now.
Alright, so reason for the stop, I got you on the red light in this corner. You're also
Red
traveling
light?
at a high rate speed. Yeah, you didn't come to. You just blew straight through it.
I stopped.
You didn't.
4453. I should be
Yeah, I
right
did.
on him right now.
We can argue about it, or we can just give me your ID and get over and done with. You didn't stop.
I like to look at your dash cam.
Alright, there's a courtroom for that.
Down Karama around the corner. If you want
But
me
are
to
you gonna
that.
ticket me for it?
We'll see. Depends what your record's like. If you got a history of running red lights for
I've never gotten
fun.
a ticket before.
Well, that's gonna really favor you. Do you have a plate as well? Because I know you got a pocket plate.
Nope.
You don't have a pocket plate.
Nope.
They're a Delta unit to go by the name.
You don't have a pocket plate at all.
CCTV
Nope.
is the,
Well, then the bike's not registered then, boss. So you also can't be
Nope.
driving down the roadway. Alright,
Oh well.
Sit tight. pause our phone line. Looks like we're gonna have to take his.
049.
We're gonna have to take his bike. Can you give me a hook start 849 Innocence Boulevard for a bike? Alright, let's run his name. We're gonna have to hook it. If he's not got a plate that you can provide to me, then
Copy it. County to ET unknown.
His-
4453.
it's not registered.
We're gonna be on 10 at 849 Edison.
Let's go.
Hey, Mr. Gonzalez, instead of fishing around your bike, can you step up against that wall for me, please, bud?
Why?
Because I said so.
You're gonna be looking for a blue
Yeah.
can with a red
Pistol wall.
dome light on top of it with white.
Am I going to jail?
No, we're gonna figure some things out.
They
I don't know what's going on yet.
white, red head, black shirt, black skirt woman.
Whoa, why are you trying to cuff me?
We'll talk about it in a second. Just don't resist.
Driver's license teacher teaching drivers that the female is supposedly his student.
All this for no pocket plate?
Alright, no, you also got no driver's license. What's going on, bud?
Oh, I had the same problem earlier. I'm registering it in the DMV. I go to the DMV. I have a license. It's just not showing up in y'all system. I had
Okay.
previous instances the same thing.
Alright. What was you digging
Also
around?
told me to check it out, but I checked it out.
Mm-hmm.
I have a license, but it's not showing up for you guys.
Yeah, maybe you gotta resubmit it. What was you digging around for on the bike?
Cigarette? Did you not see me put one in my mouth?
No. Hey, Wes, can you VIN check that for me, please?
Yeah, I got you.
I got no. He's got no plate, no pocket plate to provide. So you've got no plate at all. Like you don't have it at home or anything. No different vehicle.
No.
So you just do not. Where did you buy the bike from then?
It's built.
User joined your channel.
It's built, so that is not a manufactured bike.
Nope.
You built it yourself.
No.
No, who built it then? Who built it?
A buddy of mine. It previously was used by some company for off-road events.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did they tell you if it was road legal or not?
I mean, I didn't really care to ask.
Fair enough. Okay.
I don't know about that road legal stuff. It gets me from A to B. I'm riding it.
All right. He's gonna I got your physical driver's license, so that's fine. We can see past the license issue if that's a thing. Maybe he's gonna try and
Handcuffed?
resubmit a license. No, because we're gonna check if the bike's stolen first.
Oh lord.
So whilst you're already in the ghost, you're checking for a VIN number. Every vehicle ridden on the streets should have a VIN number, or possessed should also have a VIN number.
I don't think it's gonna have one because it's a built bike. It's got.
Well,
like,
then that's a VIN.
plastic. It's made of metal.
Oh, then that's a VIN violation. Then that'd be a VIN violation because it's looking like a street bike.
Yeah, I don't think I'm finding anything on it.
Okay. Interesting.
Oh, dude,
Nothing, nothing by the motor, nothing on the bars.
Okay.
It's,
All right, will you do some babysitting for me, Wes, whilst I read the penal? +049.
Tired as fuck. I'm working a 12-hour shift and everything. So I just Uber Eats everything to my house.
Alright, so from my interpretation of the penal code, you're looking at a misdemeanor arrest, okay? I'm gonna have my supervisor
What?
coming down. I'm gonna speak with him to make sure
What?
that I'm going around the right lines. I'm gonna cross my T's and dot my I's before I tell you that you're under arrest. And we're gonna figure out from there, okay?
So I go to jail for not having a.
You might not go to
vehicle?
jail. You might not go to jail, but you will receive a misdemeanor arrest. So
What is
you'll.
that?
So basically, you'll get a
It's
summons.
kinda like a summons.
Yeah, because you're not a crazy criminal that shoots people and doesn't turn up for court, and you have a massive criminal record. It's my discretion to give you what's called a criminal summons, which well, I'll hand you a piece of paper today with a court date and time on it. You mandatory that you turn up for it, and then we'll figure out what's going on from there.
Alright.
But I'm with my supervisor to get here, and I'm going to discuss with him just to make sure that he agrees with the charges I want to impose. But I can 110% tell you that that vehicle will not be leaving with you sat on it today.
Oh,
Wonderful.
can I push it?
No.
Well, you said not with me sat on it, so I could push it.
It'll be going on the back of a tow truck until you can either bring some form and get a VIN, get a
Can I
VIN number
ride with-
somehow.
Can I ride with the dude? I'm gonna pick it up.
I don't see why he wouldn't let you, but it'll be going to a police impound. It won't be going to your house.
Well, just let some tow company take it. Y'all don't gotta take it.
No, we do have to take it because it's
Yeah.
subject to a VIN violation, right? You sit tight. Hey, how you doing, Gregory? It was me that called you. It's for my own guidance. So this guy's riding a motorcycle which he says was built not by manufacturer, but built by a couple guys, and he bought it off them. So obviously it's not displaying a VIN number. From what I'm interpreting from the penal code, he's subject to VIN violations. But I want to make sure and get your guidance on it. So he has no pocket plate. He has no plate at all, so no registration, which therefore meaning no insurance. And then when doing a VIN check, it has no VIN at all. Then he
Do
tells
we
me.
have a VIN,
What's that, sorry?
VIN statute in the penal code?
We do, yeah. Just with it not being a manufactured bike, I didn't know if maybe that would alter how we look at this. I can read the statute to you.
What's the
Hold on.
code for it? What the fuck are you talking about? What?
Title 1, Section 28.
Cross spotters are coming from 860 Autopia. Can F05 will be code 6 in the area.
There's no Title 1 is the definitions. What?
If
What chapter is it in?
Control F, type in VIN Vio, you'll find it. Wes, you're not leaving my detainee alone, right?
He's not gonna go anywhere.
Okay, it's to be clear, it's 200 Section 28. It's
Okay.
not 228.
That,
Because I was looking
okay,
for
yeah.
228 in the GL code. and I was
Yeah,
like, we
yeah,
don't
yeah,
go that
yeah,
fucking
yeah,
high.
yeah, that might be it. You're right, my bad.
So I can I ask a question now?
Yeah,
So what's gonna be the next steps?
that's what we're figuring out before you put your big nose in the wing.
No, you guys. We heard you arguing from over there. That's why.
No, we're not arguing, we're just trying to figure out the
I'm
codes.
fucking yapping at him because he's not.
Oh god.
The way you read statutes for your edification, it's
Alright, man,
GL
leave him
section
alone.
200 subsection 28.
Okay.
He's
Noted.
not really from here. He just traveled here,
No,
man.
I'm selling it for your edification. I already told him. And edification means fact, so what's these big words now?
Ah,
I'm feeling really belittled right now.
very big words. Alright, I'm going back.
I would consider the VIN
graduate high
violation
school,
that because
man.
it says operates a motor vehicle without a
Yeah.
vehicle identification.
He's also saying, I'm seeing no license on file. He's saying that for him, he has a license on file. Should we just chalk that up to a state issue?
What's his name?
Evan Gonzalez.
Car just backed over a male.
Where?
Here at 847. Sorry, I thought you had attached.
Bro, he literally does like nothing.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's a bit strange.
Nah, you can take him for the invalid photo or invalid license. He doesn't have an ID on his photo.
Okay.
Or ID on the, and that's something that I know is his license should be able to show up. He needs to redo it, or he's missing a check form. If you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. All right. No worries. So I'm gonna sign
But, I
release
mean,
and take his
even-
bike.
Yeah, I was gonna say, even if the VIN verification doesn't apply, if the judge says that, it's still not registered. He still doesn't have insurance. He still doesn't have a valid license. So it's a
Yeah.
trifecta.
So I'm gonna get him citations for the no registration, no insurance. I'm gonna misdemeanor cite him. We'll summons him for the VIN violation and take his bike.
Search.
Pardon, what'd you say?
I was gonna say I'm gonna break off this if y'all are all good now.
Well, I'm about
Alright. Mr. Gonzalez, if you want to turn around and get you out of them handcuffs.
Finally.
Alright, so I got a summons. I'm gonna read through what I got for you, okay? Alright, I got you operating a vehicle without current registration. Failure to have license or registration papers on you at the time of a traffic stop. As well as a VIN violation, which would be for the VIN. This is a misdemeanor arrest, so you are currently being arrested, but you're going to be summoned out, because I trust that you will show up to court, okay? That makes sense?
Alright. Yep.
Alright, so I do need a signature on the bottom. This is saying that you can acknowledge that you've been received this summons. It's different to a citation. Generally, you don't have to sign a citation. But because you have a mandatory, like, you have to appear at court, and the court date that's at the back at the time, that's at the back. Yeah, wonderful, thank you.
Mr. Gonzalez, I'm just gonna let you know that if you don't appear that to that summons or court date and time, you will be you'll have a warrant placed out for you. All right?
Oh.
Yeah.
So you need to
Oh,
attend the
shoot.
summons. You need to attend that
What
court
is it?
date.
Sorry?
Look at the back of the letter.
Oh.
The back of the citation.
Are y'all gonna come after me?
If
If you don't go, you
we'll get you eventually, and then you're gonna be
What if y'all could like lose me?
you'll be spending a night in a cell, and then you will be going to court. I can guarantee that to you.
No, what if y'all lose me and can't find me?
We'll find you eventually. We got radios.
Our detectives are good.
Okay.
Alrighty. Have a good day, guys.
Alright. Am I good to go?
4453.
Yeah, you are.
Alright.
Family detaching 854 and it's 64.
Officer,
What do you want?
do you mind running the plate on that white car over there?
What's the
You guys
plate?
own that car. I'll give you the plate. NTR 536, I believe. It's registered to a Mr. Quarter. He's a good friend of mine. And I know that guy. doesn't have a
83
license.
NTR 536 doesn't come back.
Yes. So let me.
A white vehicle's possibly stolen.
526 is the last digits. 526. 83 NTR 526.
6013, just for notification, we're
Registered
going to be
to a
clearing a house out in TAC 2. We got
quarter?
multiple bullet holes in
It is okay. Let me try and contact Mr. Quarter.
All right.
Hey, that car's stolen.
Oh yeah, we know.
Okay, arrest him.
D4.
Oh my god! Yeah, bro, don't fucking say that to me. Arrest me.
What the hell is happening here? What is happening here? I wouldn't know, man. I'll be the swiftest. He fixed my car.
4049. I got units here with me already. 846 Grove Street. That white vehicle across the grove is going to be stolen.
What?
The white vehicle to the left of us, left of me, is going to be stolen.
Oh, that two-door?
Yeah,
Mhm.
it's registered to a Mr.
Central
Quarter.
K9
He's a good
309.
friend
So
of mine.
let's just be a nice little.
What is the status on the pedestrian accident at 771? I believe AMS transported. T4 close call.
Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Don't be stupid.
Do that.
Don't be stupid.
Do it.
859, shots fired by Elio Grove, 846.
Right as a Davis supervisor shots fired at a male in a vehicle. He tried to drive at us.
You just put yourself in front of a vehicle. That's on you.
6013 to Central.
60.
Am I gonna holster up?
601.
Yeah, if you need to. I'm gonna keep him held.
Clear. We're gonna keep on tack to investigating for 538.
Copy.
Nope.
One secure 846 Grove Street. Let's get a supervisor rolling as well as EMS, please.
I'm gonna take him out.
Hey,
but put him
supervisor.
in. That way it doesn't look like he is spinal biffed out.